confirm that Professor was here exactly at 9:30 this morning.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you had stayed the whole day.
He had assisted another member of public who did not know where Kadeli police post was.
Then,
This other member of public had a report to make. The personal assistant for the governor of Migori County went to where they were and asked them to enter into a vehicle which was waiting by, so that they could change and go to a different hotel.
when the reportee was giving his report or informing you about what had happened, and he mentioned that they were to meet the personal assistant to the Migori governor. At that particular time, did he give you a name, or he just said personal assistant?
He did not give me the